Namaste parents, hello children, this is AJ. Welcome back to our session. We are learning 9th standard CBSE mathematics. In this session we are starting a new chapter children, chapter 12 Heron's formula. We know that area of a triangle equal to half into B into H children. That means B means base, H means height here. So we need base and height to find out area of a triangle, right? For a right angle triangle, this is base and this is a height. Height means perpendicular height, right children? So here B and H, this is perfectly suitable for right angle triangle. Now we'll come to equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means three sides are equal, correct children? So here we know base only. What about height? You can draw a perpendicular line, correct children? Find out the altitude, that means height, by using Pythagoras property. This is the base children, we know that. So by using Pythagoras property, we can find out height here. So that height you know, base you know, and you can apply this formula, area of a triangle equal to half BH, so that you can find out equilateral triangle area also. Now we'll come to isosceles triangle. Here you know two sides are equal. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. That means you know the base here. Same here also, you can draw perpendicular line. That means height you will find out by using Pythagoras property. Correct children? So here you know base and height, you can apply area of a triangle formula and find out the area of this triangle. Now what about scale and triangle children? Three different sides. Suppose this is 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters and 7 centimeters. Here we have three different sides. So this is scale and triangle. We don't know height here. So in this case we can use Heron's formula and find out the area. Not only for these triangles children, for any triangle, if you know the sides means you can use Heron's formula and find out the triangle area. Heron is a great mathematician children. He has given the formula area of a triangle equal to root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Right children? Here A, B, C are sides. A, B, C are sides of a triangle. That means if you know sides of a triangle, you can find out area of a triangle. Right children? For that you don't need height. Right children? So here what is S? S means semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter means we know perimeter. Sum of all the sides is equal to the perimeter, right? We know the perimeter. But what is semi-perimeter? Semi means half. So half of the perimeter. Perimeter means sides addition. A plus B plus C. Semi-perimeter means by 2. Right children? So S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. If you know the sides of a triangle, you can find out any triangle area. Not only triangles area children, we can find out square, rectangle, trapezium areas also by using Heron's formula. So this is called Heron's formula also. Right? This is very simple to remember also children. Root of S. S means semi-perimeter. A plus B plus C divided by 2. You will find out the value. And inside S minus A. S minus first side. S minus B second side. S minus C third side. That's it. Now we can see the applications of this formula children by doing some questions. Let us start exercise 12.1 children. First question. A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A, small a. Right children? Find the area of a signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180 centimeters, what will be the area of a signal board? Correct children? So here they have given that equilateral triangle. That means they already said one side is A. That means three sides also A only. Correct children? So side of a traffic board signal is A. Perimeter of a traffic board signal, addition of three sides, that means 3A. Correct children? Now we have to find out the area by using Heron's formula. What is Heron's formula children? Root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Here S equal to semi-perimeter. We know the perimeter 3A. So semi-perimeter means 3A divided by 2. Correct children? Now we use Heron's formula and find out the area. area is S. S means 3a by 2 and S minus a. Again 3a by 2 minus a. Next, S minus b. B means second side also a because it is an equilateral triangle. S minus c also same, 3a by 2 minus a, children. Correct? Now this equal to root of 3a by 2. Now this one, children, take 2 LCM. Now 3a is here and minus 2a. Correct, children? Now here also same, 3a minus 2a by 2 and here also same, 3a minus 2a by 2. So this equal to root of 3a by 2 already here. So 3a minus 2a, that is a, children. A by 2, again a by 2, again the same. Now we can write 3. How many a's, children? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3a power 4 divided by how many 2's? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means I can write 2 power 4 or 4 square also. Correct, children? So if you take a power 4 outside, it will be a square divided by 2 power 4 if it comes outside, 2 square. That means 4, children. Correct? So root 3 is inside. Therefore, the formula of equilateral triangle area root 3 by 4 a square. Correct, children? Now in the same question, they have given that perimeter of traffic board signal is 180 centimeters. Then find out the area. Right, children? Now we know that equilateral triangle area formula. We found that by using Heron's formula. Correct, children? That is root 3 by 4 a square. Now perimeter 180 centimeters means what is perimeter, children? 3a is perimeter. So that a equal to 180 by 3. So a value is 60, children. 60 centimeters. Now just put the value here. Root 3 by 4. A means 60. A square means 60 into 60. Correct, children? Now 4 ones are 4 15s are. Right? 15 into 60, children. 900. And root 3 is here. 900 root 3 square centimeters. Because area is in square units. Correct, children? Second question, children. The triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisements. The sides of the walls are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. The advertisements yield an earnings of 5,000 per meter square per year, children. A company had one of its walls for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? Right, children? Think this is a flyover. Now see, one side of wall, it is like a triangular shape. This side they are using for advertisements. Right, children? So here they have given the sides 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. That means sides means A is 122 meter, B is 22 meter and C is 120 meter. Correct, children? Now we have to find out the area of this triangle by using Heron's formula. So perimeter of a triangle, we know that A plus B plus C. Correct, children? That means 122 plus 22 plus 120 meters, children. That equal to 264 meters. Correct, children? If perimeter is 264 meters, what is S, children? S means semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter equal to half of this 264. Correct, children? That equal to 132 meters here. So now we can find out area by using Heron's formula, that equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Just substitute the values. Root of S means 132 into S minus A. That means 132 minus A means 122. Again S minus B. 132 minus B means 22. Now S minus C. 132 minus C means 120, children. So this equal to root of 132. 132 minus 122, children, that is 10. 132 minus 22, children, 110. 132 meters minus 120 meters, children, it is 12 meters. Now this equal to root of 132 into, here we have 11 and here we have 12. That means this is also 132. 11 12s are 132 children. Here we have 0 and here we have one more 0. That means 10 into 10, 100 children. Correct. So this equal to 132 square and 10 square I can write. Root of 132 square into 10 square. Now square and square root will get cancelled children. So area of a triangle that equal to 1320 meters square. Now 1320 meters square is the area of this triangle children. Right? In the same question they are saying that what is the rental charges for this wall children? For 1 meter square 5000 rupees for 1 year period. Correct children? But they are asking for months. So rent of 1 meter square per 1 month children. We know that 12 months in a year. So 1 month rent equal to 5000 divided by 12 rupees. Correct children? So here our question is rent of 1320 meters square area for 3 months. This area is 1320 meters square. For this now we have to calculate the rent. For how many months? For 3 months children. Only for 3 months. Now we know 1 month rate. Now we have to calculate 3 months rate. Correct children? So rent of 1320 meters square area for 3 months children. So 1 month rent is 5000 divided by 12. So we want 3 months. That means into 3 for how much area? 1320 meters square. So into 1320 also children. Right? Now here 12 ones are, 12 11s are is 132 and 0 is here. So this equal to 5000 into 3. That means 3 into 110 means 330. 5000 into 330 means you will get 16,50,000 rupees children. This is rent for 3 months of 1320 meters square. 16,50,000 rupees has to pay. Now third question children. There is a slide in a park. One of its side walls has been painted in some color with a message, keep the park green and clean. If the sides of the walls are 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter, find the area painted in color children. That means think this is a slide. So this wall and this wall. Correct children? They are telling about these two walls. Now the shape is triangle shape. Correct children? So this is the board. Keep the walls green and clean here. Correct? So this side 11 meter and this side 6 meters and this side is 15 meters. They have given A is 15, B is 11, C is 6 meters. So now they are asking to find out this area children. Let's find out the semi-perimeter of the walls. S equal to A plus B plus C by 2 children. That means 15 plus 11 plus 6 divided by 2. 15 plus 11 plus 6 equal to 32 meters children by 2. That means it is 16 meter. S equal to 16 meters. Now we use Heron's formula. Root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C children. We know S, that is 16, S minus A, 16 minus 15 children, S minus B, 16 minus 11 children, S minus C, 16 minus 6 children. Now this equal to root of 16 into 16 minus 15, that is equal to 1, 16 minus 11, 5, 16 minus 6, it is 10 children. Right? Now this equal to 16 means 4 square you can write. And 5 into 10, 50 children. That means 25 into 2. Right? Here again 4 square into 5 square into 2. Now this square and square root will get cancelled. So you can write 4 and 5 outside and root 2 here. Now that equal to 20 root 2 meter square. Correct children? So area of this wall equal to 20 root 2 meter square. Now fourth question children. Find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeters and 10 centimeters and the perimeter is 42 centimeters children. They have given only two sides, that means A equal to 18 centimeters and B equal to 10 centimeters children. We don't know the third side and they have given that perimeter equal to 42 centimeters. From perimeter we can find out the third side children. We know that A plus B plus C equal to perimeter 42. Right. What is A plus B children? 18 plus 10, 28 plus C equal to 42 here. That means we can find out third side C equal to 42 minus 28 children, that is 14 centimeters. So C is 14 centimeters children. Right. Now we know perimeter 42. What is semi-perimeter? S equal to perimeter divided by 2. 42 by 2 children, that is 21 centimeters here. Now we know three sides and we know S. We can find out area by using Heron's formula children, that is root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Let's put the values here. S means 21. 21 minus A, that means 21 minus 18 S minus B. 21 minus 10 S minus C. 21 minus 14 children, correct? So here it is 21. 21 minus 18 means 3 children. 21 minus 10 means 11 children. 21 minus 14 is 7. This equal to root of, I am writing 21 as 3 into 7. Again 3 is there and 11 is there and 7 is there. Correct children? From here we can write that root of 3 square into 7 square into 11 children. Here 3 square and 7 square. Square and square root will get cancelled. Write 3 and 7 outside and root 11 is here. That means 21 root 11 centimeter square is the area of the triangle children. Fifth question children. Sides of a triangle are in the ratio of 12 is to 17 is to 25 and its perimeter is 540 centimeters. Find its area. They have given the sides ratio children, not sides. So let sides sum is equal to 12x plus 17x plus 25x children. Correct? So here sum means perimeter. 12x plus 17x plus 25x means 54x equal to 540 centimeter. Already it is given that. Right children? Perimeter is 540 centimeters. From here x value is 540 divided by 54, that equal to 10 centimeters. Right children? So x is 10 means we can find out the sides. Now 12 is to 17 is to 25 is the ratio. That means sides 12x. 12x means 120 and another side 17x, that is 170 centimeters and another side 25x, that means 250 centimeters. These are the sides children. Correct? Now we can find out the area by using Heron's formula children. Here what is S children? S means semi-perimeter. That means 540 divided by 2, 270 centimeters. Right children? Now we apply the formula here. Root of S means 270, S minus A. 270 minus 120 centimeter. S minus B. 270 minus 170. S minus C children. 270 minus 250 here. This equal to root of 270 minus 120 children, 150. 270 minus 170, 100. Now 270 minus 250, 20 children. This is equal to root of 3 into 9 into 10 children. 3 9s are 27 into 10, 270 and 150 equal to 3 into 5 into 10 children, 3 5s are 15 into 10, 150, 100 I am writing as 100 only, that means 10 square you know, and 20 that equal to 5 into 4. Correct children? Now this one I can write it as 3 square and again one more 3 square. So root of 3 square into 3 square children. Now tens 1, 2, 10 square here and 100 means again 10 square. Now here 1 5 and here 1 5 children. 5 square here and 4 means 2 square. Right? So this all in squares only. So square and square root will get cancelled. Now I can write outside only 3 into 3 into 10 into 10 into 5 into 2. This equal to 3 3s are 9, 9 into 100, 900 children, 900 into 10, 9000 centimeter square is the area children. Now sixth question children, an isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeters and each of the equal sides is 12 centimeters. Find the area of a triangle. We know that isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. Therefore one side is 12 centimeter means another side also 12 centimeters. Now we have to find out the third side. They have given that perimeter is 30 centimeters. Right children? That means A plus B plus C equal to 30 centimeters. 12 plus C we don't know, that equal to 30 centimeters children. Here 24 plus C equal to 30. From here C equal to 30 minus 24, 6 centimeters children. Find out semi-perimeter children. S equal to perimeter divided by 2. 30 by 2 that equal to 15 centimeters children. Right? We know that A, B, C, three sides here. And S value is 15 children. Now find out the area by using Heron's formula. Now Heron's formula, area of a triangle equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C children. Just substitute the values here. Root of S means 15 here. S minus A 15 minus 12 and S minus B 15 minus 12 again. S minus C children 15 minus 6 here. Correct children? Now this equal to root of 15. 15 minus 12 means 3. 15 minus 12 again 3. 15 minus 6 is 9 children. 3 means 3 square. 9 means again 3 square. Correct children? So 3 square into 3 square into 15. Right? So 3 square you can write outside because square and square root will get cancelled. So 3 into 3. 15 is inside the root. That means 9 root 15 centimeter square is the area of the isosceles triangle children. We'll do the remaining questions in next session children. Thank you very much.